welcome to this short presentation on modern requirements. So before I talk about modern requirements, let me just explain how modern requirements fits into Azure DevOps, and then I'll provide a little bit of context of what our tool does. So Azure DevOps is a great place for developers and quality assurance teams to add in their pieces of a project. For developers, Azure DevOps provides the ability to add in repos. For your quality assurance team, it offers the ability to add in test plans. But what would be really nice is that the features of Azure DevOps were extended so that your requirements management team could work in here as well. And that way you could have a single source of truth model where your development tasks can be tied directly to requirements and your requirements can be tied directly to test cases. And so that's what modern requirements provides. We fill that gap in Azure DevOps for requirements management. So, what do we provide? We provide many different impactful features to some of the native modules of Azure DevOps. Those impactful features would be things like building in a reporting tool because there isn't one in native Azure DevOps. We add in these extra features to places like the backlogs, the sprints, and the queries, which again are the native modules provided with Azure DevOps. So these features that we add into the native modules can be found in any of the context menus here at the bottom. They allow you to do things like reuse work items, create baselines, build reviews, and even report on the work items that you have in your project. You can find those from compare down to MR artifacts. But modern requirements also provides many different capabilities that you can explicitly visit. Now, the first one I want to show you is this Smart Docs tool, and this is one of our authoring and elicitation tools. It replaces the need for Microsoft Word in any project by allowing you to build documents directly online in your project. You can create folders, store your documents, fully version your documents all the way back, as well as compare those versions to each other so you can see not only how your documents are changing, but also the requirements that live in your documents as well. Now, modern requirements documents allow you to, or smart docs rather, allow you to bidirectionally link your requirements that are in documents to your project. What that means is if you're over in the backlog and you change a requirement, you don't need to go find all of the different documents that requirement is in and change those as well. The changes get reflected automatically. This cuts down on the time that your BAs spend finding requirements in different assets and updating them appropriately. So you can go ahead and or build your documents in your project, as well as